Now we have created all the classes and the configurations we needed in order to create a MapReduce program. Okay. Now let's build this program into a jar file so that we can run it on SDFS later. Now to build it, it's very easy. Go to your project, right click and choose run as and click Maven build because this is a Maven project. Here we need to specify clean package. So clean will delete any intermediate files or any jar files we had compiled before. So it will clean that. So clean will run a clean build. Okay. And finally, we want everything to be a package. And we had specified that our package should be a jar file as part of our POM and assembly XML files. Okay. So let's build it. Once you have this there, let's run. So as you can see, it's downloading jar files. Okay. And it's downloading the dependency files mentioned in the Maven, and it's building everything into one jar file. So let's give it a few minutes. Okay, so it says the build is successful. It has found no issues with the code, and the final output file is created in the target directory. So let's open that. Okay, let's refresh it once. All right, so when you open target, you'll see the jar file there. All right, this is the one we are interested in. Okay, in next class I'll show you how to run this file.